Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around here, just kind of going over this GT350R. All four wheels are in excellent condition. No curb rash, nothing there. Interior, same deal. I mean, it has no miles on it essentially, and the interior, exterior show, that's for sure. Sweet color combo. We just did a cold start video and I posted paint meter readings just so If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to answer any questions. And if you need a shipping quote, we'd be happy to help you out if you use the contact seller button. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button and we can discuss further. Good luck with the rest of the auction.